Today we will learn how to record your voice over your PowerPoint presentation using a built-in feature that is both simple and effective. This process begins with launching PowerPoint on your computer. Once you have opened the application, locate and open the presentation you would like to work on. This step ensures that you are modifying the correct file and that your presentation is ready for additional multimedia features. After opening your presentation, navigate to the part of your screen where you will find options to enhance your slides. With your presentation open, make your way to the top menu area and look for the Insert option. The Insert function is designed to allow you to add various elements to your slides, and in this particular case you are interested in adding audio. Within the Insert menu you will see a section often labelled Media. Here your attention should focus on the option labelled Audio. By clicking on Audio you bring up choices related to sound integration. One of these choices is an option to record audio directly into your presentation. Explore the options until you find the one that says Record Audio. Selecting this will prompt the system to prepare its audio recording interface. Once the record audio option is enabled, you will notice that a new window appears containing various controls designed for audio recording. The interface is intuitive, featuring a red record button prominently. This red button is your signal to begin the recording of your voice. When you are confident and ready to speak, press the red record button to initiate the capture of your voice. As you speak, ensure that your microphone is set up properly and that your environment is quiet in order to produce a clear recording. When you have finished speaking your portion of the presentation, it is important to stop the recording. This is achieved by pressing the stop button available in the audio recording window. The stopping of the recording finalizes the audio clip, meaning that no unwanted sounds or pauses will be captured beyond your intended speech. After completing your recording and stopping the capture, you then need to validate the recorded audio. To do this, simply click OK. This action confirms that your recording is acceptable and integrates the audio file into your PowerPoint slide where you initially invoked this function. At this stage you have successfully embedded your recorded narration into your presentation. This tutorial provides a clear and step-by-step guide toward adding your voice to your PowerPoint slides. All the audio recording features are easily accessible through the Insert and Media sections of PowerPoint. For further reference or elaboration, the original guide can be found on Double. Enjoy the benefit of a more dynamic and engaging presentation by adding a voiceover that effectively communicates your message.